Hi everyone! So, for today's video guys, may gagawin tayong trend. So, as you can see, andito kami sa office kahit na Paskong Pasko, may trabaho pa rin kami. So, ang gagawin namin is passing the phone sa co-workers at saka kaibigan namin na nandito sa loob ng office at i-describe kung ano yung ginagawa nila at kung ano sila. So, I'm passing this phone to my friend who's doing a lot of work.
I'm passing this phone sa friend kong maliit pero yung problema niya is napakalaki. I'm passing this phone sa empleyadong napakatagal na dito.
I'm passing this phone sa kasama namin na bago lang siya dito pero working hard naman siya. Tapos marami siyang rasyon everyday kaya nabubusog kami. Salamat sa iyo, kaibigan ko.
Wala. Merry Christmas po at thank you po neighborhood sa mga tao dito. Neighborhood mababay. And thank you. Ipapasok ko to ngayon maasahan nyo lahat ng bagay. Pwede kayo magtanong dito. Lahat sasagutin nyo. Ito ang pinaka mabait at maganda. Hulaan nyo na lang.
I'm passing this phone to my teammate in costing.
Passing this phone. He is handsome.
Okay, I pass this message to my friend. He's very good footballer, crazy, very handsome, super guy.
Okay, I'm passing this phone to our famous blogger. He's doing invoices for our office.
Hi guys, I'm passing this phone to the IT person who don't know anything to do. Because every company have an IT person, right? He is solving every problem, but our IT person is creating problems. All the systems doesn't work now. You know, you got it right. So I'm passing this phone to him. Thank you.
I would like to pass this phone to Vincent, who is always fighting with the job market.
Hello guys.